Chime Credit Builder has no annual fee and no interest charges, while Discover It Secured requires an upfront, refundable security deposit that usually starts at $200. That one difference changes who each card is best for. By the end of this, you'll know which one makes more sense if you're building credit in 2026. Here's the quick answer. If you want flexibility and no interest, Chime is easier. If you want a traditional secured card with rewards and stronger long-term growth, Discover usually wins. Start with Chime. Chime Credit Builder works differently from a normal credit card. You move money into the account first, then spend only what you loaded. There's no preset credit limit in the usual way. That removes debt risk. You can't overspend beyond what you transfer, and there's no APR because you're using your own money. Chime also reports payments to major credit bureaus, which helps build history. That makes it simple for beginners. But there's a catch. Chime doesn't report utilization the same way a standard revolving card does, so some people feel the credit building effect can be less complete, depending on their profile. Now, Discover It Secured. This is a traditional secured credit card. You put down a deposit, usually at least $200, and that becomes your credit limit. That means if you deposit $500, you usually get a $500 line. The big advantage is structure. Discover reports like a normal credit card. That means payment history, utilization, and revolving behavior all show up in a way lenders understand. It also offers cashback rewards, which is rare for a secured card. That matters if you actually plan to use the card for everyday spending. Now the real comparison. If you're worried about interest or carrying debt, Chime is safer because there's no borrowing involved. If you want to graduate into unsecured credit faster, Discover often has the stronger path because it behaves like a standard credit card from day one. Approval matters too. Chime is easier if you already use their banking system. Discover may check more traditional factors, even for secured approval. So what should you pick? Choose Chime if you want low risk, simple setup, and tight spending control. Choose Discover It Secured if you can afford the deposit and want rewards plus stronger traditional credit building. Quick recap. Chime costs less upfront. Discover gives more credit building depth. Your next step is simple. Check if you can comfortably lock up at least $200. If yes, compare both based on how you spend. If this helped, like the video, and subscribe for more straight credit comparisons.